In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Notion. If you are brand new to Notion, this quick setup will have you ready to take notes, plan projects, and organize your life in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through each part so nothing feels confusing, and I'll share a few simple tips along the way to make the process smooth. Start by opening your web browser and going to Notion. Or Notion.com. Both addresses take you to the same place. On the home page, look for the button that says Get Notion Free and click it. This takes you to the sign up screen where you can choose how you want to create your account. Don't worry, no commitment yet. You are just getting your account started. You'll see 3 main sign up options. If you choose to continue with a Google account, this is the fastest route. You'll be prompted to select your Google profile and grant permission so Notion can create your account with those details. If you prefer Apple, choose the Apple $499 option. You can use features like Hide My Email if you want extra privacy. And it will connect using your Apple credentials. Finally, here is the email option. With this method, simply enter your email address, and Notion will send you a temporary sign-up code. This is great if you want to keep your Notion login separate from other services. If you went with the email option, open your inbox and look for the message from Notion. The code usually arrives within seconds. If it's not there, check your spam or promotions folder. And make sure you entered your email correctly. Copy the verification code, return to Notion. Paste it into the verification box and click Continue. These codes do expire, so try to enter it soon after you receive it. Once you are verified, it's time to set up your profile. Enter your name as you'd like it to appear in Notion. If you didn't use Google or Apple, you'll be prompted to create a password. Choose something memorable and secure. Ideally, a unique password you don't use elsewhere. You can also upload a profile photo. This is optional, but it helps personalize your workspace, especially if you plan to collaborate with others. If you'd rather skip it, you can always add one later in your account settings. That's it, you've created your Notion account and you are ready to explore. Take a moment to look around the interface and get comfortable. Thanks for watching.